Should you use the group or the caucus session in mediation? You know, there are different forms of mediation structures depending on the thing that you're mediating, the dispute that you're mediating, and depending on the clients. There are different ways to exchange positions and numbers using a mediator. You can do it together in one group, or you can do it separately. And of course, obviously, the first is called the group session, where you all stay in one room the entire time. The mediator and the lawyers have to carefully control the dialogue if you do it this way. And lawyers must avoid legal arguments, and the temperature in the room must remain cool. Therefore, the clients have to be restrained from venting. Lots of preparation is needed for this kind of a structure to be successful. The mediator and the lawyers have to avoid the whole process breaking down when the clients are together. But some business people want this when negotiating with other executives. And you know, it's commonly used when you negotiate a treaty, or where there are circumstances where there's a real lack of trust between the parties. They use a group session so they can see what's said. The other form is the caucus session, which we're very familiar with and which we usually use, where you separate the parties and it's easier to vent and keeps positions from hardening. We're much more comfortable with this because the talk is more frank and direct. But remember, as lawyers, we can suggest a group session if the case or the clients warrant it, and it can be very useful with sophisticated parties.